This is probably going to sound like the biggest first world problem ever, but it's been 8 full months since the last time I was in New York and I was sort of going through withdrawal. It's really good to be back. What is up, guys? We are back with another video right here in the middle of Manhattan. I'm sweating to death. It was raining. I don't have a rain jacket, so I wore a hoodie, but now it's not raining anymore. So I'm just sweating for no good reason, and it really, really sucks. As always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy the New York videos. I love making them. I love being here. And guess who else is here with us this week?
Yo, what are you saying? How are you doing? Have fun in New York, guys.
We got Partap with us in the city all week. He wanted to come out. He's never been here, so this is his first time. We're gonna be showing him around a little bit. My flight coming into the city got delayed so much. I was not happy with that. Actually, both of my flights. My flight to Toronto and my flight to New York both got delayed, which was a huge pain in the butt. As a result, I was in a bad mood and didn't feel like filming any of it, but we finally made it into the city. I haven't eaten since like 7 in the morning. We should probably like get some food, huh?
Good idea.
I just found this random Adidas box sitting on this bench on Broadway. I can't in good faith not open it. There's gonna be like a severed hand in here. No, someone just bought shoes and took them and left the box. That was extremely anticlimactic. Sorry for wasting your guys' time. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, one of the biggest benefits to being in New York is the availability of sneakers before release date. In Winnipeg, I basically have to stand in line for 10 hours or hope and keep my fingers crossed that I get lucky on a raffle. But here, sneakers are available way before release date all over the place. And there's a very particular pair that I'm hoping that we can, fingers crossed, pick up today. We're in the Lower East Side. You know there's only one place to go to when you're in the area for sneakers. We're gonna hit up round 2 and fingers crossed. I mean, like, I saw that they had these on their Instagram. I think they should have these. I really hope they have these. Sadness, sadness, sadness. Now keep in mind this is only our first try at round 2. We're gonna find them somewhere, but yeah, they sold out of all the pairs that they had already, which really sucks. They do have the Quagmire Dunks though, which I mean, like, on a completely unrelated note, these are cool, I guess. They're not the Jordan 1s though, so this sucks.
What are you doing? Why would you actually change your bike tire to the thing that took his whole bike, bro? Fucking idiot. Can't say that probably, sorry guys.
Thankfully, there's like a million stores in New York that sell sneakers before release dates, so we decided to come through Sneaker Fleet. My man Joe owns the place. I didn't text him in advance asking if they have the shoes, but I feel like this is a pretty good bet that they may have the shoes here. Hopefully. Possibly. Maybe. Okay, second stop. Nothing. Nothing at all. I thought Sneaker Fleet may have them. They do not have them. I mean, they have a bunch of other sick sneakers. They got like Yeezy 500s for really good prices. They got Yeezy 700s for really good prices. They got like some other Jordan 1s here as well. They have, I mean, this is a pair I would love to own, and it's almost in my size 13 for a really, really good price. But they don't have the University Carolina Blue. I don't even know the name of them, to be honest. They don't have the ones that dropped this weekend. And that's what we're looking for.
Initial thoughts on New York. Lots of dudes out here. Lots of building out here, which is good for the economy, bro. That's about it. Also, can we go to the big Nike store, please?
Nike's turned into a ball pit, which is cool. They changed the installations in here like every single month on the main floor, and I guess this month it's a ball pit. They should have adult ball pits. Like, they should have places you can go for adults where there's ball pits. I don't know if that exists, but it definitely should. I have to say, I didn't really expect Kobe 4s to be sitting at a Nike store. Like, I know people don't really care about basketball shoes anymore, but this is a classic Kobe. This is like 10, 11 years old, and they retroed them. And they're just sitting here. They're okay, I'm not gonna buy these. They're $180. That's probably why they're still sitting here. Oh my goodness, they still have the swooshless Jordan 1 sitting here. I bought those. Those are cool. I have no idea what these are. These are like a velour velvet purple swoosh, yellow underneath, a velour velvet silk red on the back, blue leather on the toe box, black nubuck, white leather. Weirdest Jordan 1 mid colorway I've ever seen. And this Knicks, oh, maybe this is like NBA colorways, because you have like red, you have Lakers, you have Knicks. I have no idea what these are. And then the strangest Jordan 1 I've ever seen. This is like some weird women's colorway of like a bedazzled, the laces are on the side. Wow, these are bad. Next stop, Urban Necessities, American Apparel, or American Eagle outfit. I don't know, I've never been to this location. I've never been to the Las Vegas location, actually, now that I think about it. I've never been to an Urban Necessities, so I'm excited to check this out. Hopefully they freaking have the shoes. Because they shouldn't, I mean, they're not that limited. They shouldn't be that hard to find. We are not having much luck today. They do not have them here either. I still don't know what they're called. Are they called the University Blues? Are they called the Carolinas? Are they called? I don't know what they're called, but they do not have them here at Urban Necessities. Super cool store though. I mean, the amount of Jordan 1s that they have, and just Jordans in general, and Yeezys, and Off-Whites, and I mean, everything in here. This is a really cool store, as I said, my first time in here, and it is really nice. While we're here though, we might as well take a look at some shoes that I do want to get. These ones, I think, are these the France Opens or the USA Opens? I'm gonna go USA because it says USA on the back. But I mean, this could also be France just because of the color scheme. Air Tech Challenge 2s, these came out in probably around 2014 if I had to guess, and I really wanted them at the time. They sold out really quick on Nike, and I'm not sure how much they go for nowadays. It could be pretty cheap. I can't see these being crazy expensive, but it's something I really would like to pick up. And then also, speaking of tennis shoes, we have the Federer Black Cement 3s, which are a really cool pair of shoes as well. Something unique. I've never really seen a lot of people wearing these, maybe one or two people here or there, but these things are amazing. Par says these are still the best Jordan 1 ever made. I love these things, the Nigel Sylvesters. I have 2 pairs of them. You genuinely think that's the best Jordan 1 ever made? Seriously? Seriously?
I'm a pretty big biking guy, so.
Well, that's a hot take. Best Jordan 1, I mean, I love them. I love them, but best Jordan 1 ever. I still really need to buy these. I've been putting it off for years. I don't know why I just don't pick them up right now. I mean, they're not even that expensive, and it's my size sitting here. Right, I should probably buy these. I should probably save money. I should probably buy these though. Like, I mean, they're amazing. I've all but given up at this point. We're not gonna find these shoes. I don't know how no one, like literally no stores in New York have a pair of these shoes except for Flight Club, and I'm not paying Flight Club prices for these. Last stop we're going to is Origins NYC. I know the guys that own this store. Once again, whoa, that was close. I didn't ask if they have them. They probably don't have them. Fingers crossed that, just please. I just want to find them. So they don't even have to be my size at this point. We didn't find them. Wow. Talk about disappointing results when searching for a pair of sneakers. I don't know what's happening. It's not a super limited release, judging by the resale prices on StockX. And they're nowhere in the city. There's zero chance I'm gonna be able to pick them up on release day on Saturday. So hopefully I win a raffle at home or something, because I really wanted that pair of Jordan 1s. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get that pair of Jordan 1s, at least not this week in New York at the very least. Which sucks, because I really wanted to grab them, but I mean, what can you do? We searched at basically every single store that I thought might have them, and they're pretty much nowhere. We could have headed out into Queens and Brooklyn and hit up some little boutiques there that sometimes release them a little bit before, but I didn't want to spend like literally 2 days searching for them. I didn't think that was worth it. that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. For you guys that are still watching at this point in the video, comment podcast is live down in the comment section below, because our 3rd episode of the podcast just dropped today. So make sure to check that out. Go follow us on Apple Podcasts, on Spotify, on Google Play, on SoundCloud, the Tom Stefanic Podcast. Hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you tomorrow. So until then, peace.